Hi, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Well, look, blue skies. It's still stunning. But what do you expect from down here in Breen and Somerset? 15 minutes from the M5 and you get to come and own your own little piece of heaven right here at Holiday Resort Unity with some of the best facilities in the Southwest. What are we looking at today, I hear you ask? Well, look, I have an abundance of holiday homes I'm eager to show you. Did you know holiday home ownership starts from as little as £19,995? That's it, £19,995. You get to own your own little base of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity with some of the best facilities in the Southwest. So what are we looking at today? We are looking at this fabulous ABI Oakley behind me. 36 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model, double glazed, central heating. It's fabulous. Should we go in and have a look? Wow, look at this! Look at all the natural light flooding in through all these aspects of windows. It's fabulous. Great big corner couch. Looks really comfy. Fireplace. Great amounts of storage. Dining area. Again, fabulous amounts of room. And into your kitchen. Good prep space. Loads of cupboards. Really is ideal. And you've got integrated fridge freezer. As I say, with the double glazing and central heating, this is lovely. Right, let's go down the hallway. So as we come on down, first room on your right is the main bathroom. So shower, sink, WC, and again, storage, which is fabulous. Next door on your left, first of one of the bedrooms, this one of the twins. Again, great size. Bedsides, above bed storage, full length wardrobe, light streams in through the window, fabulous. Then we've got the master, again great size room, really ideal amounts use of space with your bedsides, above bed storage, good size bed, dressing table, mirror, and a great size double wardrobe, really does tick all the boxes. And then the third bedroom. Again, really good size, really does work well. Fabulous. And with the added bonus of another, just separate toilets on its own. So obviously full bathroom with toilet, separate toilet, 3 bedrooms, all fabulous size. And this lovely open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Really light, really airy. Great space, really does work for the family, friends, entertaining and everything else. So this is the fabulous pre-loved ABI Oakley. It's 2015. It's 36 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. As you walk in, you're met with natural light that floods in through the windows, which makes it a fabulous living, dining, kitchen, social space. 3 great sized bedrooms, and of course, the main bathroom, which is a good space as well, but the added bonus of a second WC, which really does make this holiday home so versatile. Now, you know what you've got to do, because you've all seen these videos, you've got to pick up the phone and ask me about it. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, say, Roger, help me. I'm interested in holiday home ownership and I'm not sure what to do next. Holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995. And for you to get your own little piece of heaven, 15 minutes from the M5. Pick up the phone, drop me a text or email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I am here to assist you in all steps revolving holiday home ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity and Breen Country Club. And don't forget, people, woo, this face is all over YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy, because that's what it's there for. It's there for you to look at holiday homes and experience what it's like into ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity and Breen Country Club. Now, while the sun's still shining and it's still going to be a glorious day, I'm going to go out and enjoy it. So don't forget, people, it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.